Welcome to Titan's troubleshooting video for the Elite Series sprayers. In this video, we will cover troubleshooting for the sprayer not priming. For this demonstration, we will use the Elite 3000 model, but all three models have the same parts, just in different sizes and configurations. First, make sure that the relief valve is in the prime position. Now use the pusher to manually actuate the inlet valve. Make sure to press and release it 3 to 5 times with the motor running and see if the pump will begin priming. Slowly adjust your pressure up while watching the return hose to see if the sprayer will begin priming. If still not priming, you'll want to check your siphon next. Any air leaking from the siphon, for example if it is loose, will prevent priming. Stop and tighten the tube if needed. If the siphon was tight, remove it and make sure that the red inlet seal is not missing or discarded. This is the sealing surface between the pusher and the siphon fitting. If the tube was tight and the seal is present, the next step is to examine your inlet valve. First, remove the siphon hose, then use a wrench to break loose and remove the pusher assembly. Use the push button to hold the inlet valve open. Inspect its sealing surfaces for debris, damage, or displacement. You may remove the inlet valve from the pusher if needed, but do not disassemble it. The adjustment is factory set. Clean or replace the inlet as needed. Using a wrench, break loose and remove the outlet valve assembly. Inspect the ball and seat for debris and disassemble as needed to clean. Be careful to identify which order the parts are removed in and not to lose any of them. Reassemble or replace the outlet valve as needed. Thanks for watching Titan's troubleshooting video for the Elite Series sprayers. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.